guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you our broken-hearted skulls. This is a 50 centimeter, black and transparent. Lots and lots and lots of base coat options. We've got over 30 DTP colors alone for you to choose from. We've got little skulls with bows on them. This is probably more female oriented. Some stars and kind of a, I don't know, a little bit of a punk look to it. We're going to dip to a white speed shape, Hydrographics activator, 1 minute soak time. We do these videos for every single print that we release, and it does get kind of redundant. If you guys ever have any suggestions for videos, I'm all ears. And that is broken-hearted skulls. Oh, it's even got some scissors in there, I can see now. Scissors, I'm cutting the heart. And this print will be in the skull section, and of course that's at KansasHydrographics.com. Comment if you guys have any suggestions for this or any other videos, and make sure you like us on Facebook. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.